Have you ever wondered what the food you eat actually looks like? Not just on the plate, but at a microscopic level? Today, we're diving deep into the hidden world of everyday food, revealing the mysterious structures that come to life when viewed under a microscope. First up, let's take a look at bread. That fluffy loaf is actually a bustling city of yeast and gluten. Under the microscope, you'll see a complex network of air pockets created by the yeast, giving bread its airy texture. The gluten, which is the protein in the wheat, forms a stretchy web that holds everything together. It's like looking at the blueprints of a building, seeing how all the components work in harmony. Next, let's explore the world of cheese. Depending on the type, you'll find different structures. Cheddar, for example, often shows a network of protein crystals, while blue cheese has those beautiful, distinctive blue veins caused by mold. It's a fascinating look at the diverse world of dairy, with each type of cheese telling its own microscopic story. Moving on to fruits and vegetables, you'll see a stunning array of cells. Think about a slice of apple. Under the microscope, you'll see individual cells with their cell walls, and sometimes even the colorful pigments that give the apple its vibrant hue. It's like looking at a bustling city, with each cell playing its own role in the fruit's overall structure and function. Even something as simple as sugar reveals a hidden world. Under the microscope, sugar crystals often look like beautiful geometric shapes, a testament to the power of molecular structure. It's a reminder that even the simplest things can have a surprising complexity when viewed up close. So, the next time you're enjoying your meal, remember that there's a whole other world waiting to be discovered, a world of hidden structures and fascinating details. It's a reminder that food is not just fuel, but a complex and beautiful creation, full of surprises just waiting to be explored.